Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on your Instagram story. Adding subtitles can make your story more accessible to a wider audience, especially for those who are deaf or hard of hearing. So let's get started. So first, open up the Instagram app and select the story feature, or you can choose a photo or video that you want to add subtitles to and upload it to your story, or you can just use the record button to record your story. After recording, you can now tap on the text icon on the top of the screen and type out the words that you want to appear as subtitles. You can choose the font style, color, and size that you prefer. Once you've typed out your captions, you can move them around the screen by holding and dragging them with your finger. You can also resize them by pinching in or out with two fingers. If you want to add a subtitle that will automatically generate your audio, you tap this icon and look for the caption icon. Unfortunately, the feature is currently not available for some users, so if you want to just add a manual subtitle in your stories or reels, just follow the steps that I have discussed earlier. Okay, so after that, you can now add this to your story, and your audience can now understand what you're trying to portray. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.